Getting out of hand. Navigating through chaos in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, getting out of hand. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where things were just too much to control? Well, that's exactly what we're talking about today. Let's unpack this phrase together and explore its meanings and uses. Stay tuned. The phrase, getting out of hand, suggests a situation or event becoming difficult to control or manage. It often implies that things have moved beyond the normal limits of control, leading to potential chaos or trouble. This expression can be applied to various contexts, from personal behavior to events or even tasks at work or school. While the exact origin of getting out of hand is a bit murky, it's believed to stem from the idea of something slipping from one's grasp, literally moving beyond physical control. Over time, this concept was metaphorically applied to situations or behaviors, emphasizing the loss of control or management. To help you better understand how to use getting out of hand, let's look at some examples. A party scenario. The party started off well, but after midnight, things started getting out of hand with noise complaints from neighbors. In the workplace, the project was manageable at first, but due to scope creep, it's getting out of hand. We might need more resources. Personal behavior. I think his prank was meant to be funny, but it's getting out of hand and someone could get hurt. These examples showcase how the phrase can be versatile, fitting into social, professional, and personal contexts. When you want to express that something is becoming too chaotic or unmanageable, getting out of hand is your go-to phrase. Here's a simple structure to follow. Subject plus be, verb plus getting out of hand. For example, the discussion is getting out of hand. Let's calm down and talk this through. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, getting out of hand. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use this expression to convey loss of control or manageability in various situations. Remember, English is full of such vivid phrases that make our conversations richer and more expressive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.